Don't waste your money on this product if the only way you're planning to apply it is with a brush. That is the wrong way to put it on. So here's what you're going to do. We're gonna put it on the lips first, just so you guys can see how pigmented this bad boy is. Thank you. Look at that jelly consistency. So you're gonna apply it straight to your face. Let's do the lips first. It is gonna work like a stain, do you see that? Here's how it looks now. We're gonna go back to the lips in just a minute. So when applying this to your cheek, you're gonna go in circular motions and then you're gonna blend that thing out as fast as possible. Blend. Definitely get around the edges. That is amazing. Fabulous. I've even heard some people putting it on their nose as well as their eyes, so we'll do that in another video. For now, I'm gonna put a little bit of some clear over the top just to lock that in. This is one of those products that are so fun to play around with makeup, but you need to know how to use it correctly, otherwise it's going to be a huge mess. So save this video so you remember how to apply it.